Good morning to all. In this session, we are going to learn how to grade our students. Grades are scores given to the students for submitting their assignments in a Moodle course. So this is my grading summary. So total 3 participants are there. Up to now, no one is submitted. For demo purpose, I am opening the student page and going to submit the assignment. Now I have opened my student page. In the front page timeline itself, his assignment will be displayed. Now students are going to submit their assignment, means they have to click add submission. Now this page will comes. This is our assignment question. Discuss about fire extinguisher and a JPEG image. Now the student going to submit their assignment, means they have to select the file picker option. By using the upload file, they have to select the assignment page. This should be open. Finally, upload this file. So let's see here. Maximum size of file should be 1. It was preset by our during creating the assignments. Maximum attachment should be 5. This also we have created already while creating the assignments. After submitting this assignment, student should give save changes. So in his page submission status should be for grading. Up to now it will not graded. Once the staff finish his grade, the mark will be displayed in this grading status page. Student can also possible to edit his submission again and again up to our restriction. Now I return to my page. In the main course page, I have to see the assignment. I have created under Unit 1, discuss about fire extinguisher. Now click this assignment page. The grading summary now shows participant is 3, submitted is 1. We have to grade this student. Below we have two options, view all submissions and grading option. Now I am going to see the view all submission. I am having total 3 students in my page. In that 3 students, 2 students did not submit their assignments. Only 1 student submit their assignment. In case if I select grade option, means that student assignment page will open here. In the top left corner, our course name will visible. Here the student name will be visible and his mail ID. Actually, this student up to now did not submit any assignment. We can easily navigate to the next student assignment page by selecting this option. Here 3 students are there. These students submitted the assignment, so I am clicking the student name. His assignment page will appears here. His assignment consists of 3 pages. I am able to navigate the next page by selecting this arrow button. Go through his assignment fully, and I am able to grade him by using this grade option. Here I have to give grade out of 100. So this is his file submission type PDF. If I need to comment him, I can also comment him. If I have to give feedback means I am able to give feedback here. This is the submitted assignment. If I want to correct his assignment means I am able to correct by using this tools option. There is a stamp option. If this line is wrong means I can able to use wrong stamp here. If this line is correct, this answer will be correct means I have to change the stamp option to correct. Then I am going to stamp here. So like this I am able to correct this assignment. If I want to highlight any line means I am able to highlight by means of line option or otherwise highlighter tool. So this will be easily I am able to correct his page. After correcting his page I am going to give grade. So I am giving 50 mark. I am going to give feedback. Write well next time. After grading, there is an option notify students. If I enable only, the students can able to see their grade marks. Next, save changes. Save changes means if I am going to close this page means first I have to save changes. Then only this mark will be added to the student. Next, save and show next. This option will enable the next student to correct. If I click this means this page will be saved and the next student assignment will be open. This is the next student. So likewise I am able to grade him and easily navigate to the next student by this option. Here also I am able to show the next student paper. After grading all the students, now go to view all submission pages. Now this page will shows the student with the submission status and I have to grade this. Now I am going to open the grader report. For that I have to choose grading action. In that action I am going to view grade book. Select view grade book. The grader report page will display. In this grader report page, these are my students. I am going to see their submission status. These are all my questions, quizzes, assignments. Finally, in the above 3 students, 1 student attended my assignment and scored 50 marks. The others did not submitted up to now. After they submit their assignment, we can also able to grade them. That mark will be displayed here. So this is grader report. If I want to see grade history means I have to go grade history. In this page I am able to select a particular student and I am able to see his assignments. I am going to select one student. Finish selected users. Now the grade system will show the particular student name. I can choose any type of questions or assignments or quizzes. Now I am going to select the question. Behavior based safety. We can also view our grade book by using these grades in our course page also. I am going to select these grades. Grade book page will appears. This is the grader report page. Dear learners, we hope from all these sessions you learn to manage your course in Moodle platform. If any queries, write to our blog. For more updates, kindly subscribe our channel. Thank you.